In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change Google Chrome's default zoom settings guide. Begin by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You will see the 3 vertical dots there. Go ahead and click those 3 dots to open the menu. After the menu appears, look for the zoom option. It is usually easy to spot because it includes a minus icon on one side, a plus icon on the other side, and a percentage in the middle. That percentage shows your current zoom level for the page you are viewing. If you want to make everything on the page smaller, click the minus icon. If you want to make everything larger and easier to see, click the plus icon. As you press either button, Chrome will immediately update the page view, so you can see the size change in real time. This makes it easy to adjust the page until it feels right for your screen and your reading preference. If you only need a quick visual adjustment while viewing a page, this method is one of the fastest ways to do it. It is simple, direct, and built right into the browser menu. When you are done, you can simply continue browsing with the new zoom level in place. That covers everything you need to know.